Useful advice that all affiliate marketers can use. One of the most common ways to start bringing in a profit online is via affiliate marketing, but it also one of the most common jobs abandoned after only a short period of time. This is because people who are new to the market jump in assuming it will all be easy and simple, but are surprised when it does require some smart thinking and tough work. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Do your research on the costs to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs, and development expenditures. Marketing a product you love is a great way to turn a job into a hobby, so try to pick something that really interests you and that really moves you emotionally. Your love for the product will come through and customers will pick up on this and ultimately buy more from you. A great affiliate marketing tip is to sign up on a business-related social networking site. These types of sites are great because they get you in touch with lots of people and they are strictly professional. Operating on a professional social networking site will make you look professional and people will take you seriously. Instead of pop-up ads, move to pop-under ads. Before you use pop-up ads, keep in mind that many people have them blocked and will not ever see them. Pop-under ads have shown to have a higher response rate when they load up in the background as the reader is seeing the content. Use your phone's recording features to capture ideas that you have while on the go. If you don't have a recorder on your phone, call yourself and leave a voicemail with your idea. A great idea for improving your traffic or a new idea for your blog can hit you in the weirdest places. Be prepared to be able to capture those flashes of brilliance. While it is obviously a job with tough roads to follow and instructions to manage, the benefits can severely overweight these tasks. It requires a great deal of work and dedication to begin with, but through time things become easier, and the profits become greater. The key is sticking with your plan and following the tips mentioned in this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.